intro, but I just feel like vlogging today, so I'm vlogging. It is currently 7:32 and my class is at 8 and it will be a new building which is far away, far from civilization, so di pa ako malate. I still have like 28 minutes left before my class starts, so magbaklay lang ko. Gotta save money because grabe, daghan kami gamuton karon guys. Na problema na ko gamay, but I know that God will provide. Anyway, see you later. It's so cold. The weather today is fine. It's not that sunny. It's a little bit gloomy, but not that gloomy. I like the weather. Magsakay ulit pag inato guys, so huwag natin cheese. Ino na tayo baklay. Char. Hi, horsey! Yapon ko kaabot, but I'm almost there. I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but char. Grabe, nakita na gid ako guys. I can see it, I can feel it, I can see our classroom. Finally. Hi! Hey guys, I just arrived. It is now 7:54, so 6 minutes before our class starts. This is ethics and I like our instructor for this subject. He is so kind. Alchris is back! Alchris in the house! Alchris! Alay na ni mo! Ay, mawawalaw ko! Kita gani mo siya, Bolton. Bless you. You deserve what you tolerate. Tagi ka nagbayad ni og college fee og hoy para sa tong 200 nga gibayaran na to
para sa lavish life ni sa Edok 97 na
sa t-shirt
busy
sure ito contribution di man ito para
dili
tumaw tong t-shirt na to sa subject
680 man to
daghan kay magbayaran nun oh no